Okay, today we're going to be reviewing the Fokker DR1. This plane is not as big as I thought it would be. Very small for the amount of money they want for it. And it's sort of proprietary on the radio. But we're going to go ahead and try it out anyway. It has a charger built into the controller. You just plug the battery into the back over here, and it charges. Light will come on when it's charging, and the light goes off when it's green. Power off. Okay? Power off, charge. I've already charged the battery. It's all ready to go. So I'm just going to try to fly it outside in the front yard because I know that's what we all bought it. Something to do at home. Yes, it is a indoor plane, but I've seen it when they can and will fly outdoors. Just not a lot of wind. So today's the first wind day we've had in a couple of months. It's been freezing here in Michigan. So now I set the trim on these. You have to squeeze these little wires together, and that's how you get your rudder and elevator lined up. There is no ailerons or ailerons. So anyway, we've got the battery in. So we're going to turn on the controller. You see, it'll beep once. Then you go all the way up and back down, and it beeps twice to tell you it's armed. See? I don't like the way it makes it's a gear-driven motor. It makes a lot of noise. I tried oiling it to quieten it down. It quietened it down for a little bit, but not very long. So anyway, we're going to go out, try to fly this. It's really bright outside, so here we go. I don't know if there's enough room to fly this bad boy out here or not. My understanding there is, but we'll find out. A lot of tree limbs in the way, so I want to get away from the sun in my eyes. Come over here in the neighbor's driveway, I guess. Get out of the road. Alright. Well, she wants to climb, that's for sure. I just done an inverted loop. Did you see that? I just done an inverted loop. I should have gave it more power and pulled out of that. Oh my God, it would land in deep snow. Well, I could actually walk on this stuff. Alright, we know we need to trim it down. Okay, try that. Kind of tree. Look at her. Got some caught in the tree. How funny. She's caught good. Oh well. Let's see if we can't get her out. Use this stick as a poker. There we go. Alright. That'll do a takeoff. Oh, here comes the car. Wait till this car goes by. Alright, we're going to take off into the wind. See how it does? Man, she takes off quick. Tried to do a loop. Oh no, the landing gear broke off. Really? Locked the landing gear off of there. Looks like it just sticks in there, no big deal. Now, the top wing came off. She's definitely not very tough. Everything's just glued on. So, definitely gonna need super glue. You're gonna fly this. Alright, now we're gonna do we're gonna give it some trim up since it'll fly with two wings. Be like an albatross. Uh-oh. Probably can loose. Alright, let's try that. Flies pretty good for a two-wheeler. Oh, now we broke a prop. Now it's all over but the crying. Okay, so that was it. 3 crashes and it's over with. First crash, the wheels came off. Second crash, top wing came off. And mind you, there weren't very bad crashes either. Definitely there weren't. There's nothing else super glue wouldn't fix. Battery don't like staying Velcroed in there very much. Watch. Got it in there good now, watch. See? Alright. Well, back to the old drawing board. So, I don't know. If you got $90 to waste, well, I wouldn't say waste, but you can get a lot more plane from Hobby King for this. I mean, you can get a lot more plane. This is really cheap, okay? So, we're going to go back in and put it back together super glue. But, that is the DR1 Fokker. There we go. Yeah, it's very cheap plane. This, to me, this is like a $60, at the most, $60 plane. For sure. For sure.